How to make money online by watching videos. What is Swagbucks? Swagbucks is a popular website, app which pays you for completing a variety of activities, such as answering surveys, watching videos, searching the web, and playing games. Swagbucks is legit and owned and operated by Prodege. They've been in business since 2005 and have long been accredited by the Better Business Bureau, which has awarded the company an E rating. More than 500+ customers have given the company an average review of 4.1 stars. How does Swagbucks work? First of all, you can only sign up for Swagbucks if you live in one of the following countries: Australia, Canada, France, Germany, India, Ireland, New Zealand, Portugal, Spain, USA, UK. There are several ways to earn SP, which you can then exchange for cash or gift cards. One, answering surveys seems to be the most popular and most effective way to earn money directly on Swagbucks. Here's how it works. Brands and market research companies invite Swagbucks users to fill out online surveys about products and services. When users complete a survey, Swagbucks pays its users between 5 cents and $2.50, and sometimes as much as $25 to $35. To try products and services. Marketers and brands literally pay Swagbucks users to try their products and services. Some of the best offers we've seen here are for Hulu, $10 reward, Bluehost, $60, and Dollar Shave Club, $15. But again, you need to spend money on these services via Swagbucks before you can claim your reward, so it's really only worth doing if you were going to buy them anyway. 3. Watch videos. Swagbucks Watch, Swagbucks and Crave. Swagbucks has a section of its website and a number of mobile apps that are dedicated to rewarding users for watching video playlists and reviewing the content of various websites. If you're committed, you can consistently make about $5 per day watching videos on Swagbucks. There's a range of interesting video categories. They include entertainment, food, home and garden, health, tech, and travel. 4. Get cashback for shopping online. This is only worthwhile if you're going to buy something online anyway. Whenever you plan to make an online purchase, find the store at which you intend to shop within the Swagbucks store directory. Then, simply click through from the store's page on Swagbucks. You will then earn a certain cashback amount for any purchase made at that store's website. 5. Get cashback for dining out, Swagbucks Local. 6. Swagbucks Daily Poll. Swagbucks posts a new poll every day for users to answer. Is Swagbucks worth it? Yes, if you're looking for a survey site with lots of rewards options. Yes, if you're looking for a survey site with loads of mobile apps so you can earn a bit of money on the go. No, if you're looking to earn a living working online. There are much better options out there. No, if you're looking to earn as much money as possible from a survey site. How much does Swagbucks pay you? There are 2 factors to consider here. How much per hour and how many survey available. On the average, you can earn $5 per hour. According to Swagbucks site, there are a lot of survey. Swagbucks does not pay the highest, but people like this site is because the survey is easy to complete. How much can you earn by watching videos, is about $5 per day. One tip here, you can actually increase the speed of the video. This way you watched more and will make more money. How are you going to get pay? It will be PayPal and gift card. Minimum payout via PayPal is $25. Gift card payout is as low as $2. Now, Swagbucks hack, so that you can make more money. Play the videos, but you are doing something else. Watch videos faster. We haven't seen any rule saying that you can't watch the videos at a faster speed, which is exactly what a free Chrome plugin called Video Speed Controller allows you to do. Earn on the go. Swagbucks offers several mobile apps which allow you to earn money from your smartphone. Be selective with the surveys. If you answer every available survey on Swagbucks, you'll only earn about $1 per hour. Be selective and you can earn much more. For example, in the list of surveys shown below, the third pays out $3 for an estimated 10 minutes. Speed up repetitive data entry. Many of the surveys start out asking you the same basic questions, such as age, sex, address, race, income, etc. Instead of typing out the same answers to these questions each time, use software like a text, Mac only, or RoboForm to speed up the process. Swagbucks app, there are many available apps, just search on it. Swagbucks Affiliate Program. This is where you can earn big money with Swagbucks. We heard people earning $10,000 or more per month as affiliates for survey sites, and Swagbucks has one of the best affiliate programs in the business. Essential info for Swagbucks affiliates: you must sign up for the Swagbucks affiliate program via AWIN. Swagbucks only accepts traffic from the Australia, Canada, Ireland, the USA and UK. Anyone who clicks on your affiliate link from another country will land on the Swagbucks homepage, but won't be able to sign up for an account. The payout is $2.20 per email verification of new user registrations. Most affiliate programs only pay you once a sale is made, but Swagbucks pays you just for sending them new users who sign up for a free account. That's not to say it's easy to earn money as a Swagbucks affiliate. Becoming a successful affiliate marketer usually requires quite a bit of work up front. Swagbucks Referral Program. Swagbucks Referral Program is different from the Swagbucks Affiliate Program. The referral program is for users of Swagbucks to invite their friends. The reward is 10% of their friends' earning for life. Give it a try and start making money.